One of the big trends when it comes to handbags is definitely the look of the exotics. I love this bag. This is a bag we were able to get back for you. I was so excited we can do it because I love this in summertime. It's going to be that black and white snake look, that python look. It's actually a beautiful embossed leather that's done in such a gorgeous, gorgeous design. It's not too shiny, it's not too thin, it's that rich, beautiful, exotic look that looks like it should be 4 digits or 5 digits, but it's not. It's trimmed in this gorgeous leather. This is just such a great way to have a bag for summertime that's going to go with your all white, it's going to go with your white jeans, it's going to go with your light colors, but it's also going to be great with your summer black, like I'm wearing, because who doesn't love a summer black? This is that perfect black and white together, goes with everything, really high end, and I think that's harder to find for summertime. I think a great formal bag, a really couture looking bag for winter is easier to find. A great couture look for summer, not so easy to find, but here it is. It's a great style, goes right over the shoulder, lots of room, love the drawstring in front. It's going to store a lot, it's going to be lightweight on its own, and it's going to be the bag that really makes your outfit, because in the summertime we all go a little more casual, right? It's hot, you don't want to go to all the trouble, you just want it to be simple. So your bag really has to do a lot of the heavy lifting on your outfit as far as making it look high-end, beautiful, finished, really, really stunning. This is the perfect finishing touch. You're going to love it. I am so glad we were able to get it for you.